Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I hope you are feeling relaxed and ready to chat.
Hi, everyone. I am feeling very nostalgic today. Do you know what nostalgic means?
That is a big word to start with, Sam. Nostalgic means you are thinking about the past with a happy, slightly sad feeling. You miss the old days.
Exactly. I am thinking about where I grew up. I am thinking about my hometown.
That is our topic for today, talking about your hometown. This is one of the most common conversation topics in the world.
Yes, after you ask what is your name and what do you do, the next question is always, where are you from?
And we don't want you to just say, I am from Paris. We want you to be able to describe the feeling of your town, the smells, the sounds, the people.
We want you to paint a picture. Is it quiet? Is it loud? Is it by the ocean?
So here is our specific goal for this video. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the location, the atmosphere, and the changes in your hometown using natural English.
And we are going to do it differently today. We are going to let you listen to a conversation first, and then we will explain the words.
This is the best way to learn. Context first, definition second.
So if you are ready to take a trip down memory lane, hit that subscribe button.
And hit the like button if you love the place where you were born.
Or hit it if you hated it and moved away. That is okay too.
Let's jump right into part 1, location and atmosphere.
In this first scene, I am going to describe my hometown to Rose. I want you to listen for 3 specific things.
Listen for where is it located, what does it smell like, and is it big or small?
Okay, let's go to the scene.
So, Sam, I know you live in the city now, but where are you originally from?
I'm actually from a small place called Seaside. It is located on the south coast.
Oh, nice. Seaside. The name tells me everything. Is it a big city?
No, not at all. It is a sleepy coastal town. It is very quiet.
That sounds lovely. What was it like growing up there?
Honestly, it was beautiful but a little boring. It smells like salt water and fish every day. You can always hear the seagulls crying in the morning.
That sounds peaceful to me.
It is peaceful in the winter, but in the summer, it gets very crowded with tourists. The beaches are full of people.
So it is a tourist trap?
Exactly, a total tourist trap. But I miss the fresh air. Here in the big city, the air is gray. There, the air is clean.
Okay, let's stop there. Sam, that sounded beautiful. Salt water and seagulls, I can almost smell it.
I miss that smell. But let's look at the words I used. I said it is a coastal town.
This is a key vocabulary word, coastal. This means it is by the sea. It is on the edge of the land.
If your town is not by the sea, if it is in the middle of the country, we say it is inland.
So is your hometown coastal or inland? That is the first distinction.
Then I called it a sleepy town.
Does that mean the town is sleepy?
Kind of. Sleepy means very quiet. Nothing happens there. There are no nightclubs, no big events. It is slow.
The opposite of sleepy is bustling.
Bustling means busy, loud, full of energy. New York is bustling. My hometown is sleepy.
And then you used a negative phrase. You called it a tourist trap.
Yes, a tourist trap is a place that is made only for visitors. The prices are high, the shops sell cheap souvenirs, and there are too many people.
But you still love it?
I love it in the winter. In the summer, it is a trap.
So, to review part 1, we have coastal versus inland and sleepy versus bustling.
Simple words, but they describe the vibe perfectly.
Now let's move to part 2, describing changes.
Towns change. My town is the same, but Rose, I know your hometown changed a lot.
It changed completely. In this next scene, I am going to tell Sam about my hometown. Listen for the phrase, used to be.
Used to be. Listen for that grammar. Rose, you are from the capital city, right?
Well, I live there now, but I grew up in a suburb just outside the city.
Oh, a suburb. Was it nice?
It was okay, but it has changed so much. It used to be a rural village. There were farms and green fields everywhere.
Really? Farms? But now it is full of skyscrapers.
Exactly. Now it is completely urban. They built a huge shopping mall and a train station. It used to be quiet, but now it is incredibly noisy.
That is sad. Do you miss the farms?
I do. It used to be green, and now it is concrete. It is more modern, but it lost its charm.
Yeah, that happens. Progress, right? Okay, that was a sad story, Rose. The green fields are gone.
They are gone. But the English was good. Did you hear the grammar point? I said it used to be a rural village.
Used to be. We use this for something that was true in the past, but is not true now.
It used to be small. Now it is big. It used to be quiet. Now it is loud.
This is the best way to talk about history. Don't say before it was small. Say it used to be small.
Then I use two important adjectives, rural and urban.
These are opposites. Rural means countryside. Farms, cows, grass, and small houses.
Urban means city. Tall buildings, concrete, buses, traffic.
So Rose's town went from rural to urban.
Exactly. And I said it is a suburb.
A suburb is the area just outside a big city. It is usually where families live. It has houses and schools, but people travel into the city to work.
So ask yourself, did you grow up in a rural area, an urban area, or a suburb?
I grew up rural, definitely rural.
Okay, let's move to part 3, food and landmarks.
The best part. When you visit a hometown, you want to know what to do and what to eat.
In this scene, Sam is asking me for recommendations. Listen for the phrase, it is famous for.
And listen for the word delicacy. That sounds fancy. Rose, if I visit your hometown, what should I see? Is there anything special?
Oh, you have to go. It is famous for its old library. It is a historic building from 1800. It smells like old paper and wood. It's magical.
I love old books. That sounds like a must-see.
It is definitely a must-see. And after the library, you have to eat lunch at Tony's.
Tony's? What is that?
It is a local bakery. It is known for its meat pies.
Meat pies?
Yes, it is a local delicacy. The crust is flaky and hot, and the meat is spicy. You can smell the pepper from the street.
Oh, wow. My mouth is watering. I need to try that pie. Okay, I am hungry now. Hot, spicy meat pie? Yes, please.
It is delicious. But let's look at the words. I said it is famous for.
This is the grammar we want you to use. It is famous for, or it is known for.
Don't just say it has a library. Say it is famous for its library. This emphasizes that the library is special.
Paris is famous for the Eiffel Tower. My town is famous for cheese.
Then Sam said, that sounds like a must-see.
A must-see. This is a noun. It means a place that is so good you must visit it. You cannot miss it.
The Grand Canyon is a must-see. The Old Museum is a must-see.
And finally, the fancy word, delicacy.
A local delicacy. This is a special food that is unique to that area. It isn't just food, it is cultural.
Sushi is a Japanese delicacy. The meat pie is a local delicacy.
It implies it is rare or special.
So think about your hometown. What is the must-see and what is the delicacy?
Now, before we review, we have a very important safety tip.
Yes, this is a mistake that makes you sound poetic, but strange.
Many students ask, what is your native land? Or what is your motherland?
Whoa, are we in a war movie? I fight for my motherland.
It is too dramatic. Native speakers do not say native land or motherland in normal conversation.
Just say hometown or home country.
Where is your hometown? What is your home country? Simple is better.
Also, be careful with home versus house.
A house is a building. The bricks. I bought a house.
Home is the feeling, the place where you live and feel safe. I am going home.
You can say my hometown. You cannot say my housetown. That is not a word.
Housetown sounds funny. Don't say that.
Okay, we have learned a lot of words. It is time to slow down and review them in the vocabulary box.
Let's put them in the box. I will say the word, and Rose will give the simple definition.
Coastal. Definition, located by the sea or ocean.
Inland. Definition, located far away from the sea.
Rural. Definition, a countryside area with farms and few people.
Urban. Definition, a city area with many buildings and people.
Sleepy. Definition, quiet, calm, nothing much happens.
Bustling. Definition, busy, loud, full of energy.
Used to be. Definition, it was in the past, but not anymore.
Must see. Definition, a place you really should visit.
Local delicacy. Definition: a special food from that specific area.
Tourist trap. Definition: a place with too many tourists and high prices.
Okay, the box is full. Are you ready to empty it?
Speed round time. I test your memory. Fast and loud.
I describe it, you shout the phrase.
Let's go.
A town by the ocean.
Coastal.
A town far from the ocean.
Inland.
A place with farms and cows.
Rural.
A place with skyscrapers and traffic.
Urban.
A town that is very quiet.
Sleepy.
A town that is super busy and loud.
Bustling.
A place that is too expensive and full of visitors.
Tourist trap.
A food that is special to your town.
Local delicacy.
A place you have to visit.
Must see.
The grammar for past states. It was small.
Used to be.
Do you say my native land?
No, say hometown.
You guys are amazing. You described the whole world today.
From the coast to the city.
Now we have the most important part, the speaking challenge.
Don't just listen. We want you to speak for 30 seconds.
Here is the plan. Step 1, pause the video.
Step 2, answer this question out loud. What is your hometown famous for?
Use the phrase, my hometown is famous for, and tell us about a food or a place.
Step 3, write exactly what you said in the comments.
Ready? Pause in 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you do it? Is your hometown famous for cheese or a big mountain?
I love reading about your hometowns. It makes me want to travel.
Me too. I want to try all the local delicacies.
Thank you for sharing your stories with us. Being proud of where you are from is a beautiful thing.
Even if it smells like fish.
Especially if it smells like fish. See you in the next video.
Bye guys, safe travels.
Bye.